Hey guys, welcome back to another Form video. This will be a pretty quick video. In today's video, we're talking about a pretty good deal. Not this one, but we're talking about another iPhone deal. Not this one, but this one right here, guys. So check this out, guys. It says buy an iPhone 14 Plus for $200 and then get all your money back. Switch to the Total 5G Plus Unlimited plan and get $20 a month of service credits for 10 months. That's basically, do the math, that's $200, guys. So this is on Total Wireless. Of course, it's Total by Verizon, or Total Wireless. It was called Total by Verizon, but now it's back to Total Wireless. This was one of the prepaid brands, MVNOs, but now it's actually owned by Verizon, guys. So of course, the Total brand goes under the umbrella of like Straight Talk and TracFone and all that stuff. So this is one of the good deals. So let's get into it. I'll tell you how that works. So it's actually very simple, guys. The iPhone 14 Plus is still a really good phone to this day. So for $200, it's not bad. And technically, it's free, like I said, if you think about it. Yes, you will pay $200 in advance, plus your 5G Plus Unlimited plan. And then, of course, taxes and fees and all that good stuff. But remember, you will be getting a $20 credit for 10 months. So almost a whole year, guys, you will be getting a $20 credit back, so that basically pays for the phone itself. So now let's look a little bit more into it. It says offer does end 8/27/25 online and in Total Wireless store. So you can go to a Total Wireless stores or while supplies last. That's another thing that you're gonna be careful or be kind of in a rush, because these deals do end soon. And then if you're one of those people that like to go in a physical store like I am, I don't know, I'm kind of weird. I just like to go to a physical store and look at it, talk to people, and I don't like to wait. So this is really good for people that are not patient at all. So if you're going to go to a store, make sure you hurry up, because usually they do go pretty fast. That's what I'm trying to say. So this requires new activation on a 5G Plus Unlimited plan, external port in, and an ID verification. Credit begins on your third month redemption. Continued service required. Savings based on full retail cost of device. Other limitations apply. So pretty cool, guys. Like I said, so your credits, if you get service this month, you won't get it next month. Remember, it says it does take 3 billing cycles or 3 months basically to be able to redeem it, and you'll start getting that credit every month. So just be wary about that. But still, you can get this phone for free. So let's just shop the deal. As you can see, there it is, an iPhone 14 Plus. Looks like they have purple or red, no white. So I personally get the red one. And like I says, there it is. There's the same details we just looked at, but $200 as low as $20.83 a month. You can do that through Smart Pay. The phone does retail for $630. So you're saving quite a bit of money there, because you're getting it technically for free, like I said. So as you can see, there you go. It says when you select a 2-month Total 5G or 2-month Total 5G Plus, verify your identity. So actually, guys, it looks like I said, because I do these videos live with you, so you can get the honest opinion, you have to get the 2 months of that plan. So it says you have to get 2 months of Total 5G or 2-month Total 5G Plus. So I'll show you. Like I said, it is $200, and this is where you put your phone number, and then it'll tell you if you can. It's eligible to be transferred. So here's iPhone 14 Plus specs, iOS, 5G compatible, of course, 5G LTE/Wi-Fi. It's a 6.7-inch XDR display, so not bad at all. Does have 2 cameras. It's a 12 megapixel main camera, 26mm size 1.5 aperture, sensor shift optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide. So it's a regular lens or a main lens, and then ultra wide lens, guys. So just be aware about that. This phone does have 120 gigs of memory, 4 gigs of RAM. Does have GPS. It's an A16 Bionic chip, so just know that's still a really powerful phone. So let's look at the plans, because like I said, you do have to get one or the other. So we'll go to shop, all plans. So here it is, guys. You have to get one of these plans. Total 5G Unlimited or Total 5G Plus Unlimited. To get it, you have to get 2 months of this. So you have to get $100 worth here or 120 here. So not bad. I personally use this one, which is really good. It does give you 5G ultra wideband, 15 gigs of hotspot. You do get $200 on your next 5G phone after 12 months. And of course, calling overseas, plus roaming in 15 plus countries, guys. And also you can get the 4th line free at no additional cost. You do get 6 months of Disney Plus, or if you get the more expensive plan, which I recommend if you do think about getting Disney Plus, it is included. So that's a really good deal there. But remember, you have to get 2 months of either plan, and then of course the phone. So if you do this one, technically the phone costs you $300, but then you'd get the phone free after after like 10 months of it starting with that promo. So not bad at all. Sorry about that, my phone was on the ringer. I should have turned it off. But basically, like I said, I use Total Wireless currently as one of my other carriers should I say, and it's very good. It's Verizon's network, I never have issues with it, and it's pretty fast as well. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, it was just a quick video. Like I said, Total Wireless does run off Verizon's network, so if you're thinking about, if you already have Verizon and you're trying to switch to a prepaid version, check out Total Wireless because their plans are good, and of course you get multi-line discounts with all their plans. This thing loads. As you can see, the more lines you have, the cheaper the plan gets. So wow. So technically you can get for $30 a month for 4 lines, and then 5 lines you get a smaller discount. So overall, it's pretty good plan, guys. So thank you, guys. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. About to go drink some coffee. I don't know if you can hear my voice. Pretty tired. I had to wake up 5 hours. Wow. I had to wake up at 5 in the morning, so that was about 5 hours ago. So pretty sleepy. Need some coffee. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way.